I love it. I mean, I just love it out here with the wildlife, and I just love it. I started having issues with my heart. I had a triple bypass at 38. I've had lately like 4 surgeries. That took a long time to recover. I'm still recovering.
The Blanchards applied to the Waterwell Trust, and their situation was pretty dire. Mrs. Blanchard's had numerous heart surgeries, and their current well situation was a collapsed well from years ago that they jimmy-rigged a system, and it produced brown, undrinkable water.
We got a storage tank. Maybe we can talk the neighbors into letting us fill our tank up. And what we do is we come outside and we turn it on, take a shower, turn it off. Turn it on, wash dishes, turn it off.
We have to be really careful on when we use water and make sure there's water in the tank, refill it all the time.
But we would filter it to where we could get water into the house. We just didn't have the money at the time to put, invest it into a well.
Xylem gives us the opportunity of working with our partners and our contractors and customers to really provide clean water access to families.
The Waterwell Trust qualifies the applicant. Goulds Water Technology works with the distributor to make sure that the products from Goulds are available to the contractor. And then the Chris Long Foundation helps oversee the entire project.
You probably know somebody, or somebody you know knows somebody without clean water. And there's a lot of people in rural America who get kind of left behind in that conversation too. And we're scaled to help there.
We couldn't do a project like this without all of our great partners, the Chris Long Foundation, the Waterwell Trust, Yadkin Well Drilling, Hughes Supply Statesville, and then all the Xylem volunteers here. They're working hard to build a garden for Mrs. Blanchard as well as clean up their yard. So lots of people to be grateful for today.
So we're going to use these for the legs. Legs, yep.
They like to garden, so we're giving them that space so she can come and garden and her flowers be protected.
All right, we're almost ready over here. All right.
It's pretty awesome, really, to see all the different groups come together today. To be part of something like this, it really makes you feel good about what you do.
People take clean water for granted, and it's wonderful that we can help people have access to clean water.
There is a lot more of this stuff goes on here in America, even close to the big cities, that we just don't even think about.
Our job is to solve water. And so for us to be able to have that opportunity professionally, as well as from a philanthropic perspective, and be able to provide somebody clean drinking water who doesn't have it, that's just an amazing feeling.
This project is really giving me the opportunity to see firsthand the impact that we can have in our communities.
With this, it's going to be so much easier, so much more convenient. It really is a blessing.
It's just a blessing to be able to turn the water on and it work, and not have to worry about whether we've got water up here in a tank that would fill up. The well was enough. I didn't expect all this, and it brings tears to my eyes to think, I just thank the Lord for all of you.
You guys don't have to be out here today. This was something that y'all chose to do, and y'all chose to do it because the good in you.
We're super appreciative of it, and it is just phenomenal that things like this are going on.